Hello, here is Osama Hamid, Emerald Real Estate Consulting Investment Company. Today we will explain to you a resort from the best resorts on Hurghada. This resort is La Bella Resort. It's located between the fast road of Hurghada and touristic walking road. And touristic walking road is including or contains a lot of hotels. Let's go and see the video and explain some information about the area and information about the resort. Let's do it. Touristic walking road have a lot of hotels like Grand Groups. Grand Groups is Grand Hotel and Grand Siva and Grand Resort. We are behind Grand Resort and Grand Hotel from the right side. The left side is Steigenberger Groups, Steigenberger Resort, Steigenberger Aqua, and Steigenberger Beach. Also, behind us is Carfour Mall. This Carfour, not Carfour Mall, what is in Hurghada Center on the other side of Arabia Road. No, this is Carfour Market. It is fast road and near of Al-Mamsha. Also, we have a lot of hotels like Pickle Patros, like Hilton Noor, like Grand Plaza, like Hor Palace, a lot of hotels. And this is touristic walking, a lot of shopping mall, with all the activities from pharmacy, from clothes, from souvenirs, from markets, and also Bashara market. We have a lot of you can find during you are walking in front of the resort or in front of the hotels. Also, the resort is so near from middle of Hurghada. The name of the area is Carfour. Carfour you have banks area and also restaurants and cafes, and also Abu Ashra in first of Al-Mamsha, and a lot of restaurants like McDonald's, Pizza Hut, Magad. Also a lot of special restaurants like in Grand Plaza, like Oriental, like sushi, like pizzeria. Also we are so near from Grand Aquarium, Touristic Grand Aquarium, and Senzo Mall. We are 10 minutes from Senzo Mall, 5 minutes from Banks area and Hurghada. Also 5 minutes from the new Mesuim in Hurghada. Also, we are so near from a lot of services and a lot of activities from Hurghada. Installment in 4 years with 25% down payment, and all the installment every 3 months. Let's go and call with us, Osama Hamid, Emerald Real Estate Consulting and Investment Company, 010-977-347 012-8949-1098. Thank you very much for your attention and waiting for your calling.